Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to upload reels on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, then click on plus icon, then tap on reels option. Okay, then choose your videos, just select and next. Okay, then add sticker. Okay, then add a text and music, then effects. Okay, then next, then add a caption. Okay, then tag people and add location, then all option, then share. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.